This is a 2022 Lamborghini Urus Widebody. Now the widebody kit here is actually a prior designed widebody kit with Vorsteiner carbon fiber hood and forged Rohana wheels. Now the prior design kit features a few goodies, including the fenders like a diffuser, spoiler, lips, and even side skirts. Right there looking at the side, you can see that behind those Rohana wheels, which look great in gold, we also have those orange brake calipers, which are a factory option that are equipped on this car. And if you're wondering why the fitment looks so good, that's actually coming from the H&R springs, which have also been fitted to the car. Now, I think one of the best angles here is when you're looking at the back, because you can see how well the diffuser and even this little lip and then that top spoiler look. I think they do a good job of accenting some of the pointy angles of the Urus. But moving on to the other bits, that color there, that wonderful white, is called Bianco Icarus, and it's equipped with a Marrone Elpis Interior. Now, power does come from a stock 4-liter twin-turbo V8 that's already producing a whopping 641 horsepower. No need to upgrade there. And the base price for a Lamborghini Urus comes in about $230,000. And the reason I say that is because the asking price for this piece with all the modifications as it sits is $379,800. Tell me what you think below.